Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Vincent, an automation expert and web developer. Before we proceed, kindly like and subscribe and click the notification bell to receive updates. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to install Web3nexus Ea on MT5 trading terminal in an easy way. To get started, visit www.web3nexus.net to get a copy of your Forex robot. Once you've done that, go to your download folder. Once you download your Forex Ea, go to download folder and copy the two instances of the bot, which is the buy and sell bot. Once you copy that, go to your trading terminal. Go to your trading terminal, make sure you are logged into your trading terminal. Once you've logged in, go to the left corner of your screen and click on File, then move to Data folder. MQL5, Experts, then Advisors. Once you go to Advisors, you paste the two bots inside the folder. Although I'm having the bots ready, and you go to your Expert Advisor, your navigation bar on your trading terminal, and you refresh the Advisors folder to see your bot. Once you've done that, windows for Euro USD pairs in H1 time frame. Although you can use other time frame of your choice, but preferable use H1 time frame. Then you drag the buy bots into the first window and you input your trading license that you've obtained from Vincent on your Telegram or Discord. Once you've done that, you paste your license key in the license section. You want to scroll down in the input section, paste your license key and click on OK. Once you click on OK, then you close the box and you open the second window, which is the H1 time frame for the second bot instance, which will be for the sell instance. Then you drag the bot there also, and you follow the same procedure with the first one. Once you've done that, a settings will display on your trading chart, displaying the bot name, your floating profits or loss, and the bot is ready to run. But note, you must change your magic number in the both buy and sell instance. The magic numbers must not be the same to avoid trading issues.